What's up, everyone? I'm Chris Pickett, and I'm at Douglas Elliman in Beverly Hills. I'm standing in front of Quadruple 8 Appian Way, a vintage storybook cottage designed in the 1930s by Disney Animators. Let's get to it and go inside. So once you get into the great room here, you're gonna see gobsmacking views. You feel literally like you're at the top of the world. Ernst van de Bovenkamp was a prominent set designer and art director from Europe. And if you look up, you will see these massive posts and beams and ironwork that Ernst brought in from his native Scandinavia. So Bovenkamp and his artisans built out this two-story reading tower. When you look at this two-story tower from the exterior, it literally looks like a steeple. It's unlike anything you're gonna see in the Hollywood Hills. And speaking of unusual, let's go check out the dining room. So the dining room is part of this massive great room. And the dining room is nicely flanked by not only the views, but this beautiful piece of art that is on the east wall. There's actually secret compartments, cabinets, so it's meant to be not only functional, but something beautiful to look at. Next up on this tour, let's go check out the kitchen. You can see that all the storybook cabinetry has been left intact, and yet the current owner put in the new stone countertops. You've got the Miele appliances, so you have all the features that you would want in a 21st century kitchen, and yet you still have the vintage architecture left intact. Another detail that I really like in this house is this stained glass brought in from Van de Bovenkamp's native Scandinavia back in the 1970s. We also have a wonderful eat-in kitchen here, very much a cottage feel, which works perfectly considering we're in the Laurel Canyon area. We also have a vintage chandelier, which is set nicely over the round table. Next, we're gonna go up and we're gonna see the primary bedroom and bathroom. So once we get to the top of the stairs, we are now entering the primary bedroom suite. If you look at the roof line, you see the vintage storybook Hansel and Gretel witch's cottage. You really do think that maybe even out of this kind of hidden door that the witch is gonna come out. And if you were a witch flying around, from the outside, you would actually see the house flanked by towers with these big, almost floor-to-ceiling windows. In fact, you might even see Hansel and Gretel trying to escape from the witch's clutches. And to complete this whole primary bedroom experience, we have this wonderful primary bath. We've got a double vanity right here, and we have some beautiful tile work with vibrant blue colors. This truly is, especially due to the view, a once-in-a-lifetime experience. And last but not least, we're gonna end our tour here on the main home's private patio, where they take al fresco dining to a whole nother level. Look at this view. And that's it for the tour. Thank you so much for going on it with me, and I hope to see you again.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.